here's how to add your own custom fonts in Squarespace. First of all, you need to make sure that you've got the file for your font ready. This is usually an OTF or a TTF or even a WOFF format. So get your file ready, make sure it's a font that you're allowed to use as well, so check the license on that. Next, we're going to go to our website and we're going to click on Pages. We're going to scroll all the way to the bottom to Website Tools and then to Custom CSS. And here we're going to click this drop down here that says Custom Files, and you'll see a little box open up for adding images or fonts. So we're going to grab the font file and we're just going to drop it in, wait for a second, and there is our font file now uploaded to the site. And whenever you click this, it will automatically add in the link into your CSS. But first of all, we need the code to add this link into. So for the code, go over to my website, go to the blog and find Add Your Own Custom Fonts. And here will be the CSS code that you will need to add your font. So here we go. So this is the first part. So we're going to copy this and go back over to our custom CSS and just paste that in there. Grab our link, copy that and just remove it from there. And we're going to paste it here where it says source. And make sure that when you paste it, you keep in these tiny little speech marks here to make sure the link is within those marks. We need to change the title here as well, so I'm going to call this font Stagina, and I'm going to copy that and change this part of the font here, font title of Stagina, and you'll notice immediately the font has changed. So this is assigned to the H1 font. So you can change which font it's assigned to, so you can choose like H2, and then you'll notice H1 goes back to normal. You can choose H3, and you'll notice that one has changed there. Depends on where your fonts are. What I would suggest is to create a page where it shows your H1, H2, H3, and then you can just adjust it as you go along. You can also make sure that this is set to multiple. So if you just pop a comma and then you go H2, comma, H3, you'll see that it's now got this font on the H1 and the H3 and your H2. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's as simple as it is. So just remember, head over to the blog on my website under Learn, and it's one of my recent ones. And there you go, you'll find it there. If you're stuck or you're struggling, just go to the search and go to CSS coding, and this will bring up all my CSS tricks. So there you go, hope you enjoy, guys.